Good morning, class 7. Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Kiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 14, that is electricity and its effects. And today, we are going to discuss about electric bell. So here, in the electric bell, we all know what is the electric bell is and how it looks like. Okay, so here we are using the concept of electromagnet. Okay, so it consists of a coil of wire, and this coil of wire acts as a magnet whenever we start current to flow from it. Okay, and there is an iron strip with hammer at the one end of the coil, and there is a big gong at the one end in the circuit, and just close to the iron strip there is a contact screw. There is a contact screw in which the iron strap is added, and here gong is there. So whenever we start the current, or whenever we allow the current to flow through the whole circuit, then what happen, the contact screw is attached with the circuit and the strip is here. So because of this, when the current comes here and it acts as an electromagnet, so it will attracted towards the gong and it will hit the gong. So whenever it will hit the gong, here the circuit is break because it is removed from the screw. So contact screw, here circuit is broken, it hit the gong and electromagnet will what, turns into a normal coil because the circuit is broken. Okay, so let's understand once more. In an electromagnet, there is a coil of wire which acts as an electromagnet whenever electricity flow through it. Then there is a big gong on which if you hit, it will produce sound. There is a big gong. Just close to it, there is a strip. On the top of that, a hammer, a small hammer is there, and there is a contact screw which is just touching the strip, and it is attached with the circuit. So whenever you start the circuit, whenever you allow the current to flow through the circuit, the coil of wire turns into a magnet and the strip is attracted towards the gong. The strip is attracted towards the gong and it hits the gong. But whenever it moves towards the gong, here this contact screw and the contact between the screw and the strip broken. So circuit breaks here and it will hit, and then what happened? Even the circuit is broken, current flow is disturbed, and the coil of wire turns into a normal piece of wire. There is no electromagnetic effect. So when there is no magnetic effect, so it will hit the gong and again come back to the screw, and again it will touch the screw, again the circuit is completed, again the current start flowing, and again it will hit the gong. So this action is repeated in a quick succession. This action repeated in a quick succession. Once break the circuit, hit the gong, again come back, touch the screw, again complete the circuit, again start, again current starts flowing. So this is the way how electric bell keeps on working. Whenever it will hit the gong, the circuit break, again it will come touch the screw, again circuit complete, again electromagnet start acting, again it will hit the gong, again comes back. So this is again and again and again repeated continuation of this action is going on, and this is how electromagnet works. This is how electromagnets works. So now we understand the process of working of electric bell. In the same manner, in different toys and in different activities, we are using electromagnet. Whenever you start flowing, whenever you allow the current to flow, it will whatever the iron piece is there, whatever coil is there, it will turn into an electromagnet and start working. And whenever we switch on the current or cut the flow of current, it will stop. So class, I hope you are able to understand the process of working of electromagnet. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.